Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike. A product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na! The Batangas Racing Circuit was the next venue for another leg of Honda's One Make Race series. The top Honda bikers slug it all out on the blistering racing circuit. But the riders seemed not to mind the heat. Instead, they sieged the track like there's no tomorrow. It was also touching to see very young racers participating in the event. And at such a young age, they don't seem to be intimidated by senior racers, even producing a winning spot on the podium. This kind of event obviously exploits the best features of the Honda bikes and brings out the best in each bike racer.
Magandang hapon po at narito po tayo sa Batangas Racing Circuit, yung pong ating 13th leg ng ating Honda One Make Race. At narito tayo, kasama natin si Herbert Lopez, one of the youngest riders that we have, a promising rider. Hi Herbert, kumusta?
Okay naman po.
Ilan taon ka na, Herbert?
15 years old po.
15 years old. Eto, nakakakita na tayo ng mga batang riders na lumalabas out of our Honda One Make Race. Herbert, pangilan ka bang, paan bang pwesto mo ngayong araw na to?
Naka-first po ako, 4 na first po sa bawat isang kategorya.
Wow, ang galing mo naman. Oh. Ang bilis mo talaga. Ano ba masasabi mo ngayon dun sa ating karera?
Okay naman po yung karera. Maganda po rin yung naging patakaran po. Kaso nga lang po, mas mababa yung laps. Pero okay lang po kahit mababa. Masaya po.
Mababa ang?
Yung laps po.
Laps, bitin, ibig sabihin. Okay, we take note about that. At sa susunod siguro, medyo haba natin para lalong mag-enjoy ang young Herbert Lopez like you. Okay? At greet mo ang mga fans mo. Ano ba masasabi mo sa Honda One Make Race?
Okay naman po. Maganda magpakarera po yung Honda. Maganda rin po yung mga bikes nila. Ayun lang po. Papasalamat po ako sa Honda.
Sana manalo ka ngayon. Isa po siya sa magkukumpit doon sa ating mga champions na ipadadala sa ating Asian Cup, either sa Malaysia or Thailand. Kaya good luck to you, Herbert, at maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
At right now, I have with me the National Sales Manager, Mr. Elmer Ohane. Elmer, kamusta na ang ating karera at what can you say about it?
Well, we have a lot of riders right now. This is the culmination of 1 year again.
Yes.
This is the 13th leg of our race, One Make Race of Honda.
One representative here.
Oh yes, Dix. The winner of the championship race today will be competing with the best of ASEAN Cup riders.
Yes, that's right.
Coming from Malaysia, Thailand,
Malaysia or Thailand, yes.
and Indonesia. Yes.
I guess. And also Japan will be joining that race.
Oh yes. So, in behalf of Honda Philippines, we would like to thank our riders, our sponsors also, Inside Racing, Stoplight,
of course.
NAMSA here at Batangas Racing Circuit.
Organizer yung ating national race.
Yes. And of course, to all Honda associates,
yes,
who have helped us in making all our races this year a success.
Stoplight TV, number 1.
Abangan ang mga mas astig na activities mula sa pinakamalakas na bike manufacturer sa buong Pilipinas. Dito lang sa nag-iisang All Motoring and All Motorsports program. Suot ka na ng helmet, pare. Ito na ang Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike. A product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na!